Hi, welcome to Unit 2, Arguing a Position. Don't let the term arguing put you off. In this sense, we don't mean arguing like having a fight. We mean saying, I think this is true, making an assertion about a topic about which there may be some controversy. It doesn't have to be really controversial, but there should be something that you can have an opinion on. This is also a research essay, which means you're going to be asked to use sources in support of your ideas. And I'll just remind you that using sources involves two major components. One is putting together the bibliography, the list of your sources at the end, which is put at the end of the paper. MLA style calls that the works cited page. And then there's also making reference to your sources in the text, which we call in-text citations. I'm going to make another video that's going to show you how to use some research resources through the CWC library that will help you find sources faster, better, and easier. I'm also going to make another video that shows you the online writing lab at Purdue University has a really good section on MLA style, and I'm going to be giving you an overview of that website too. Our book also contains instructions on MLA style, so as you're doing the reading, I want you to pay attention to those. And we're going to be doing two drafts of this paper. We're going to be turning in a first draft, which is worth half the credit, and then towards the end of the class period, towards the end of our semester, which is in late June, you will be also submitting a secondary draft. The reason for that is I find that it's pretty difficult for first-time college research writers to be able to put together a thoroughly correct and well-documented MLA research paper. So doing two drafts gives me an opportunity to sort of look at your first draft and give you feedback on how to improve it so that we can have a really good second draft. Again, the first draft is worth half the points. The second draft is worth the other half of the points. The instructions are all in the book. The instructions are all on the website. Like I said, I'll be shooting two more videos to sort of help you on your way. And I look forward to working with you on this Unit 2, Arguing a Position. Have a great one.